Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to discuss axillary abscesses. This video will contain a lot of pus-filled drainage procedures. In fact, it may be one of our most graphic videos of the year, so your discretion is advised. The axilla, also known as the armpit, is the area on the human body directly under the joint where the arm connects to the shoulder. So, why is it such a common location for abscesses? Let's look at some armpit abscesses as we discuss. One of the answers is essentially common sense. Your armpit has a lot of bacteria. Sweat, heat, and its basic design allows for an entire ecosystem of bacteria to thrive in this area. Now think about the fact that many of us shave our armpits, which causes microabrasions in the area. Bacteria-filled cuts, well, that's a perfect recipe for abscesses to form. As a reminder, abscesses are pus-filled pockets under the skin as a result of some sort of bacterial infection. So how can you prevent armpit abscesses? One doctor says you should use a new razor every time you shave. Another medical professional recommends washing your razor after every use and storing it in a cool, dry location. Again, that's common sense. Don't leave your razor in the shower covered in bacteria from your skin. A warm, damp razor will grow tons of bacteria, and you don't want that causing infections and bumps on your skin. Also, make sure to wash your underarms every day with soap and water. Whether you shave your armpits or not, keep those underarms clean and bacteria-free. So, let's recap. Axillary abscesses are infections in and around your armpit. If you want to prevent them, wash every day with soap and water. Also, use a clean or new razor when you shave. So there you go. Thanks for the views. Make sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for all our updates. Also, what topic should we cover in the future? This bizarre pimple or this real or fake image? Leave us a comment below. Hey folks, get rid of those blemishes like a pro with this 7-piece pimple popping kit. It has high quality, full-size tools, a variety of specialized ends including a lancet, and a handy case for easy storage and travel. See the Amazon link below, it ships quickly from the USA.